Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing a video on an iPhone 6. Haven't done an iPhone video in quite a while, so let's just get straight into it. So putting our phone on this piece of plastic, we can get straight into it. So now flipping our phone over, and just dump our tools out. Oh yeah, and I forgot about that thumbnail, but we'll get it, later in the video. So today we are going to be testing one of my batteries that I haven't tested in quite a while in iFixit battery. I will try to get this in the link in the description below, and let's just get started by unscrewing pentalobe screws. At the bottom, let's just remove this thing here, and can just unscrew the pentalobe screws on the bottom. And the past few days I've been quite tired, so that's why I forgot about the thumbnail. But it's all good, I'll get the thumbnail at some point. There is the thumbnail, and now we can get our suction cup. Actually go down like that and pry up the display. And as you can see there's a small gap when I pull up on the display, and I can just get my spudger under there and do that on the display. And there we go. There is our insides, and can just get our Phillips head screwdriver bit. And then we can get our battery, replacement battery, and just get it in there. There's our iFixit battery. We can just plug that battery in, and we can go ahead and check the percentage of that battery. And there we go. The iPhone is turning on, and let's just wait for it to boot. Oh yeah, and I also have a new light source stuck to the bottom of the back of my iPad, and yeah, just hope that everything is good. And this is one of my iCloud locked iPhones, but we're just checking out the battery to see if it's good. And we might as well plug in. Alright, so here we can see the iPhone is at 87%, and we can just go ahead, power the device off. And then now we can disconnect the battery. And then can just lift that battery out. And then we can put our battery panel back on. And we can put that screw on. Great. Macs are definitely a lot easier to deal with than iPhones. Now you can just close our iPhone. Hear those satisfying clicks. And then we can get our pentalope bit, and we might as well put that battery back in our tray. Just get that in there. Get that. Push our battery in. There we go. Can put that ifixit battery back somewhere, and then we can screw our pentalope screws in. And now one of my viewers has been requesting an iPhone video for quite a while now, so I have finally made a iPhone video. If I can get it in there. Alright, now that it's in the screw hole, we can just screw that in. Sorry for not showing what I was doing. We can just get our next pentalope screw into the screw hole. Alright, now that we have that in there, we can just make our thumbnail. Why not? Let's get our pentalope screw bit. Like, just put that somewhere. And then get our battery out. Yes, and put that somewhere. Oh, that's like half the size. Ah! Oh my god. Alright, this should be good for a thumbnail. Just get out the tools. Alright, this should be a good thumbnail, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a comment below for what video you want to see next. I will be happy to make it. And yeah, and please, if you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all notifications. And I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.